I'm AVM Jumar Hossain. I'm the founder of Ideal Center for Tuition. We have founded this tuition center around June 2017. We are helping thousands of students from then. We are providing tuition in maths, English, science and all other major subjects from year 1 to Gcse and A-level students. We are based in two different locations, one in East London, E14UN, which is in Stepney Green, and the other branch currently at Yorkshire, which is Kingston upon Hull. We are trying to give the best education through our tutors, and we have intensive recruitment process for our tutors. We try to provide the best teaching to our kids. Those who comes here, we always make sure that they move forward to their levels in school. So we also help with their schoolwork as well as they get homework from us. So they do our homework as well as the school homeworks. Before the exams, we always make sure that our students move forward from their grades. So if somebody is in grade 5 or grade 6, so we always try to move up them by at least 2 to 3 grades, which is 7, 8 or 9. Our tutoring processes, we provide 3 to 4 students for one tutor. We also provide one-to-one tuition, online tuition, as well as small groups. As I told you, we try to keep it as small as possible to give them individual help to every kids, and our lesson is tailored on the needs of students. If somebody is strong and good, we provide them the lessons in terms of their needs. If somebody is weak, we provide them lessons in terms of their needs too. As I have told previously, that our tutors are trained, well trained, so we try to give them such a training that they can find out what their student needs, so they can plan, they can find the resource, they can give them the lessons the way the student understand. So I will tell all the parents and the students, those who are old enough, you can try us. You can do free assessment with us to find out what level you are in right now and get the best education from us. Thank you everyone.